big tree, small, small light. Fast, fast sleigh and snowflakes light. Opposites are fun to see. Come and learn them all with me. A big tall Christmas tree so bright, next to a tiny ornament light. A big red stocking hung with care. A small cookie shaped like a bear. Big and small, we know them all. Santa's sleigh goes fast, 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 zooming through the sky so fast. Snowflakes drift slow, 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 floating gently as they glow. Fast and slow, watch them go. Big, big tree, small, small light. Fast, fast sleigh and snowflakes light. Opposites are fun to see. Come and learn them all with me. Christmas bells ring loud and bright. Ding, ding, ding all through the night. But in the snow it's quiet and still. Soft little footsteps on the hill. Loud and quiet, can you try it? By the fire it's warm and snug. Kids drink cocoa hug by hug. Outside it's cold, the snowflakes fall. Snowmen smile and wave to all. Warm and cold, stories told. Stars shine up so bright and high, twinkling gently in the sky. Presents sit down beneath the tree, waiting for you and waiting for me. Up and down, joy all around. Big or small or fast or slow, opposites everywhere we go. Warm or cold or low or high, Christmas fun for you and I. Big, big tree, small, small light. Fast, fast sleigh and snowflakes light. Opposites are fun to see. Come and learn them all with me. Merry Christmas, big and small. Happy learning to you all. Merry Christmas from PeekaBoo World. PeekaBoo.